I don't think we've seen any truck tonight start the sled in the same spot. They've been left of center, right of center, dead center. They're all looking for the best combination of the best track to run before the Gausers kick in at about 2:35. Full weight box comes to you at 200. Gausers kick at 35. The faster you're going right here, the further you're going when you get down there.
Okay, here we go. This is Ryan Sherman with Oliver. He is right down the track. All right, Tom goes 280.22 for the diesel truck on the Vector Pillar.